you're going to be doing a workshop August 15th. Can you tell us a little bit about what we're
Absolutely.
doing?
The earth doesn't know anything but truth, whatever that may be. And it's interesting in my work because I work with the earth. When I go to heal the earth or when I go to step in for something or anything like that, I always ask the earth itself for the Deva of an area, speaking for the earth, what do you need now? And this is kind of what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how humans have all of these amazing practices to work with the earth and to do best practices with the earth. And sometimes those are the things we tell ourselves because of our own dogma. And if you ask the earth won't lie. The earth will tell you exactly what it needs. And sometimes it's the opposite of what you think it is. And so, what we're going to do is we're going to explore that a little bit. We're actually going to connect individually to the areas where you are in that moment, whether it be in your home or if you're like my partner and I, we're nomadics. So, wherever we are, we're going to connect with the Deva of the land there. And we're going to do a little experiential how can we support in these times where the earth is so volatile in different ways. And I will share one thing really quick that I'm very excited to talk about next month, which is we just came from Maryland all the way over to Northern California. And as we did, we were driving down the road, and I would see these places either in the median of the highway or off in the distance where lightning was literally coming up from the ground. And it was only like 1 to 3 feet high at a time. And it was all the way across the country. It wasn't in just one small area, it was everywhere. And I didn't see it the whole time, but it just kept happening as we were coming. And I just kept hearing in my head, the earth is gathering power. And I'm like, I wonder why. And so I'm excited to explore that with you guys next month. Very, very much so. And thank you all for listening.